XD1 Drone Video Operation Tutorial. Take out the product accessories in sequence. List of product accessories. Pre-flight preparation. Installing drone batteries. Unscrew the back cover of the remote control. You can see the drone battery storage port on the back of the remote control. Can start two batteries. Installing the remote control battery. Place the drone on a level ground. Long press the switch to turn on the drone. Unfold phone holder. Turn on the remote control switch. Automatic frequency synchronization upon start. Drone light flashing slowly to constantly on indicates successful frequency alignment. Direction about 8. Move the rocker on both sides. Calibrate gyroscope. The drone's light flashes quickly and turns to a constant light, indicating successful calibration. Press the one-click takeoff button to take off. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Retreat. Left lateral flight. Right flight. The default gear for startup is low gear. Press DD twice to shift to medium speed. Press DD 3 times to enter high gear. Press the 360 special effects roll button. Drone activates 360 stunt roll. Press the one-button landing button. Drone one-touch landing. Scan the QR code of the instruction manual, corresponding system download app, and install and open Wi-Fi. Connect the drone and send out a signal. After successful Wi-Fi connection, open the drone app. Clip on the phone. Open the drone app. You can see the transmission screen now. Replace the fan blades. Remove the old fan blades. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B blades. Install the new fan blades and complete the replacement. Charging demonstration. Connect the charging cable to the battery first, then connect to the power supply. The red light remains on during charging, but goes out when fully charged.